But that said, we do have a special guest joining us. All the elves are getting crazy excited. Santa, are you there? Santa?
Hey guys, how's it going? It's the real Santa Claus here. I just decided to take a quick break from working in my toy production floor to see how my elves are doing with this presentation. I hear they're presenting some really cool tips and tricks on AVEVA software, which is great because we actually are huge fans of AVEVA software up here since we use Edge in our toy factory up in the North Pole. We need to be on top of our data collection and reporting methods, so we love to use Edge. So how about we talk about that next?
By the way, Santa, thank you for the success video that you did with us. I don't know if anybody got to see that Santa success video, but that was pretty exciting stuff. So thank you, Santa. We truly appreciate that.
Always great working with you.
Yeah, look, we even have some toy requests too. So, you know, I like that. That's a fancy car. We'll get you the little, you know, Hot Wheels. We have plenty of Hot Wheels to hand out. So
exactly.
Anyway, thank you, Santa.
Yeah, no problem. So actually, we have a pop quiz going here. You guys should be seeing a poll. Does anyone in attendance know which of these products is unlike the other? We have InTouch Machine Edition, also known as ITME, InTouch Edge HMI, also known as ITEH, and Indusoft. Which of these is unlike the other? So it looks like the votes are coming in still.
It's pretty close.
Yeah, we're seeing a pretty good distribution here. Okay, let's give it about 5 to 10 more seconds here. I do have to get back to my toy production floor pretty quickly here, so I'll hand this back off to my elves shortly here. But the votes are still coming in, but I'll give you guys an answer here. It's actually a trick question. The difference between these products is nothing. So whoever voted on "they're all the same" was correct, because these are all different names for the same product. It's a pretty big source of confusion, but over the past few years, AVEVA Edge has had several names. It's been referred to as InTouch Machine Edition, InTouch Edge HMI, Indusoft, and of course, currently AVEVA Edge. The name has evolved over the years as the software provider ownership has changed. So good job, everybody. Thanks for voting. And you guys have all been really nice and not naughty. So I'm going to go ahead and grant you guys a 10-minute break before we get started with the Edge tips and tricks. And I will hand it back off to my elf Pierre when we get back.